Alright, what's up YouTube? So I had a problem with a certain fish, and it's that dotty back right there, the purple and yellow one. He'd be nipping at all my fish, and he already killed one of my wrasses, a baby wrasse, and then he's been bullying that hawkfish right there. So what I did was cut a water bottle, cut it in half, and then just put the tip of it upside down, and then I put some fishing string, made a hole, put the fishing string through that so I could pick up the bottle, of course, and see, like that. And I just waited about like an hour, and he eventually got in there. So I obviously put some, what's it called, fish food on the bottom so I could attract them. But yeah, it totally works.